Okay. Hello guys, good evening. Look at this very big spider, no? The name is Tambayawan. Tambayawan is What is the name of this what, Steven?
It's
What?
Og River.
Og River? Wow. What's the other one? Oh. The very little one. Hey. Look at here, oh guys, very big. Oh. There's the owner of this Tambayawan here. What is your name?
Steven.
Steven? You're the owner of this spider? The big spider?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Say thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching and
God bless.
God bless and bye-bye with my Gagamba Tambayawan.
Okay.